Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to unbox this. This is nothing but a bike charger, mobile holder charger. So let's go and unbox this. Okay, this I have bought from earbest.com. I have searched in many websites like AliExpress, Amazon, Flipkart, and all, but I didn't got both charger and holder in the same product. So while searching, I went to gearbest.com site and I found out this has both charging and a holder. Here are the equipments. Okay, and let's see what is in there. This one, I don't know what it is. I think it's for sticking here. Yeah, for sticking here, so that the mobile will get a good grip. It will not slip, because otherwise the back side of this panel is having plastic, and this is rubberized one. It will be stayed here, and the wire. Oh, can you see this, guys? The cable is good. The length is good. Like I think this connector is to give directly to the bike's battery, but I'm not going to give this directly to the battery, because even if you switch off the bike, you can charge mobile. So I'm planning to give connection, like if you start the bike, then only the power supply will come to this charging equipment. And let's see how it works. I don't know what. Oh, okay. I think you can keep 6-inch to 8-inch or even 10-inch mobile here, like Mi Max, Mi Mix 2 and all. And let's go and check out the other packet. Rubber here. The washer, two washers. Don't know how. Oh, these are also washers. Rubber only. And here is. And I think this one is because if your handle is too thin, you can use this to tighten up like this. Okay, I'm going to stick this now. Yeah, I got it now, because they have provided this, because the camera, it is like it will protect the camera on the back, because its plastic is hard, good quality only, and it will provide a safety badge for the camera. Okay, I remove the now I'll show you how I'll fit this mobile here. They have provided 2 screws in the back. And I think it will not fall even on the highest speed. Can you see this? But I don't think like in the 18:9 display will be clearly visible. This is 16:9 display, and 18:9 display will come in here. I don't think so. Like meme mix, for example, it will come on till the top of the mobile. Okay, but we can adjust. I think it's adjustable. It will be not any problem. So this is one part. And I think another disadvantage is like if you are in a hurry and you want to take out mobile, it won't come easily. So easily you have to loosen up both these screws and then only. But you'll get used to it. I don't think it will be a problem, or you will be in so much hurry. Only when the rain comes, I think, yeah, during the rainfall you will be in a hurry to remove your mobile, because you will be riding in a bike, and if the rain falls you have to stop nearby place or side of the road, and then you have to remove this. Okay, this one works perfectly fine. I don't know how I have to connect. Yeah, got it. You have to connect here. One we have to keep it here like this, and this also need to tight. Yeah, got it, like this. So I'll show you in the installation of this also in my next video. If you like this video, please press thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please press thumbs down, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.